Have you ever walked into a room and suddenly forgotten why you were there? Or struggled to remember someone's name, even though you've known them for years? These little lapses might seem normal, but sometimes they are early signs of something more serious. Something that affects millions of people around the world. Dementia. Dementia is not a specific disease. It's a group of symptoms that affect memory, thinking, and social abilities. And while it mostly affects older adults, it is not a normal part of aging. The earlier the signs are detected, the better the chances of managing it. Today, we are going to talk about 5 early signs of dementia you should never ignore. These signs may seem small at first, but over time they can grow and impact daily life. By recognizing them early, you may be able to help yourself or someone you care about live longer and healthier. The first sign is short-term memory loss that disrupts everyday life. Everyone forgets things now and then, but someone with early dementia might forget recently learned information. They may ask the same questions repeatedly or forget important dates and events. They may rely heavily on notes or phone reminders. According to the Alzheimer's Association, this kind of memory loss is the most common early symptom of Alzheimer's disease. Unlike occasional forgetfulness, this happens more frequently and disrupts life. The second sign is trouble planning or solving problems. People might find it hard to follow a recipe they've used for years. They may struggle to pay bills or keep track of monthly expenses. It's not just about forgetting. It's about having difficulty focusing, organizing, and finishing tasks. The National Institute on Aging reports that this kind of cognitive decline is often one of the first noticeable signs. Even simple decisions can feel overwhelming or confusing. The third sign is confusion with time or place. A person might lose track of dates, seasons, or the passage of time. They may not remember where they are or how they got there. For example, they might drive to a familiar store and forget why they went, or wake up in the night and think it's morning. Unlike normal aging, this disorientation happens frequently and may become more severe. The fourth sign is trouble understanding visual images and spatial relationships. People may have difficulty reading, judging distances, or recognizing faces. They may mistake their reflection in the mirror for another person. This isn't just an eye problem, it's a brain issue. The Mayo Clinic warns that visual processing issues are a real sign of dementia. These changes can lead to falls, misjudging steps, or difficulty with depth perception. The fifth early sign is withdrawn from work or social activities. A person may stop doing hobbies they once loved. They may avoid family events or community gatherings. Often, it's because they feel embarrassed, confused, or anxious. They may have trouble following conversations or feel overwhelmed by too many people talking. This can lead to isolation, which can further worsen cognitive health. Now you might be wondering what to do if you notice these signs in yourself or someone else. First, don't panic. Memory changes can happen. For many reasons, stress, lack of sleep, depression, or certain medications can all affect your brain. But if the symptoms are getting worse or interfering with daily life, it's important to talk to a doctor. A full evaluation can help determine whether it's dementia or something else. Early diagnosis matters, according to research from Harvard and the World Health Organization. Getting help in the early stages can slow progression, give people more independence, and improve quality of life. There are treatment plans, support systems, and even brain exercises that can help manage the symptoms. The earlier you act, the more control you have. So take these signs seriously. If you notice them in yourself or someone you love, start a conversation. You're not alone, and there is help out there. And now, we want to hear from you. Have you noticed any of these signs in your own life or in someone close to you? Do you have questions or a story to share? Leave a comment below. Your experience might help someone else take action just in time. Thanks for watching. Take care of your brain. Stay active. Stay informed and stay strong.